and take a good hard look at what you're spending every year on household maintenance, on household services. Hey guys, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing. I'm at a red light, so I only got a couple minutes. I try not to drive while I do this. One of my followers asked me, please don't drive while you're posting videos. It's a pet peeve of mine. So I generally don't, but I'm at a red light, and I want to thank that individual for sharing that. But I just want to reiterate, September has another, I think about 6 or 7 days left. Don't forget about our free hose bib garden tap installation if you spend $1,000 or more. As well, I wanted to share that in October, I have some interesting things I'm thinking about doing. I have some other promotions. But I also want to bring up an interesting concept in regards to what we spend every year. And take a good hard look at what you're spending every year on household maintenance, on household services. And another important thing to look at is, what are you spending on your utilities? On your gas consumption, your water, electricity. Just have a look to see what you're spending. Because there's a very direct correlation between the type of appliances, fixtures, etc. in your home and what you're spending to run these fixtures. And it's hard sometimes for our technicians to communicate this to our clients, but you know, upgrading or replacing a product, a toilet, a fixture, a shower, an appliance, or installing a flow tech system, these are things that are hard for customers to get their head around. But the amount of money you'll save when your equipment and products run more efficiently saves you so much money. So keep that in mind. God bless you guys. Take care.